YouTube friends and family. How are y'all today? Hope y'all are all doing well. It's been a shopping weekend. If you are subscribed to the channel, you caught me at Big Lots for the 20% off sale. And I'm not doing that right now. That video's coming. During the week, last week, it's time to get these bags off the floor. This is why I'm filming today. So if you see me in this shirt, just know I'm filming today. Because it's time to get these bags up and get all this stuff put away. Because this is a week's worth of shopping. Okay. So, as you know, I am in this yard trying to get it all together, spring ready. It's so pretty out there in the front. We started work in the back. I can't wait to film that video for you all. And there's some pretty things popping out there. There's some pretty stuff popping out there. So that is coming. Excuse that refrigerator. Every time you get ice, you get a whole show from this thing, from one cup of ice. But I'm going to, this is actually a Dollar Tree haul. This is a Dollar Tree haul. I'm in preparation of Mother's Day baskets. And as you know, if you follow me, I do like 6 baskets a season or 6 gifts a season. And I may do a short on how I put them together. But all this is inspired by LBE over there on her channel. And she was like, okay, so you do this and that and the other. And I bought the things to do this and that and the other. Because she does some pretty designs on her channel also. Along with my Jacksonville friend, Baskets Galore by Sylvia, if you want to check her out. She does very custom work, very selective work. So if you're in line for a basket delivery in Jacksonville, Florida, within the Jacksonville, Florida city limits, check her out. And so this is a Dollar Tree haul. But before I get to that, if you caught my last Family Dollar haul, I left out an item. And always, if you have friends and family in need of clothing, or you yourself are in need of clothing, Family Dollar is a good resource for $1, $2, $3 clothing. And it's not all out of season. The thing is, they had swim trunks in there on clearance for $2 and $3, which is now time for swim trunks. So I found this shirt. And it was like $2. This is a good workout shirt. Something for, I don't know if it has cool technology, but it is something to cover us up when we're out there in the yard in the sun, if we want to protect our colors. So, found this for like $2 or $3 at one of the Family Dollars. It was on the rack outside. That's one thing. So that was left out of the last haul. Good little piece of advice. If you have like some nieces and nephews in need of summer clothing. And one of the Family Dollars I've been to in the last 2 months had sandals and clogs and all of that. And they were $1 or $2 or $3. So just keep that in mind. And then I ran into Aldi. Now, didn't I grab something? I grabbed something else from Aldi. Oh, I see it. Just a second. Because the bags are everywhere. So I ran into Aldi and I found a couple of items. And they were this, which everybody's showing. So this is the cut potatoes, because we growing potatoes. To cut them into wavy crinkle fries. So I grabbed that, and I want to say these were $2.99. And then I got so much stuff to put up from the last 2 hauls. Herb stripper. I got so much mint growing out there, y'all. Mint is a wild beast. So I bought this so I can get those mint leaves off the stem quicker and dry them for teas, put them in my juices, that kind of stuff. Now, if it's on the stem, I will put in the juice, in the juicer sometimes, but I'd rather not, just do the leaves. So this will come in handy for that. And that was $2.99. So another garden thing, and you'll see where I use this. So this is 10 feet of Locking Edger. So see the design? And they have two different styles. They have one with a more intricate design that's brown. This came from Aldi's. Did I say that already? So they have one with a more intricate design. $4.99 a box. They be wanting $59 for this stuff on some websites. $4.99 a box. And I want to take a look at it, but I saw it. I said, I got to run and get me some. And we're going to get to the Dollar Tree stuff. Because I did do what I said I wasn't going to do. I lied to myself, man. But I'm not lying to y'all. I'm telling y'all the truth. I'm sharing my truth. I got a problem. But again, I had a purpose in mind. And I think I fulfilled the purpose. And actually, okay, so I just wanted to show you what these look like. So you stick them in the dirt. Stick them in the dirt and they lock together. So you're going to probably push them. The spikiness of them will have them penetrate the dirt. And then they'll lock together, which will keep them standing. And you're going to go probably to this deep in the dirt with them. And the spikes will help you get in there. So that's an easier install than some of the other gadgets that they sell. And for you to get 10 feet, I just bought the third box because I have like 18 feet. But just to be safe, I bought the third box in case they start wearing. And you just may want to replace one or two sections. You nick them with the trimmer. You know, you just never know when incidents like that will happen. So I bought 3 boxes of those. And they were $4.99. $15. You can't get 10 feet for $15 nowhere. But I got 30 feet. So keep that in mind. So now for the Dollar Tree haul. I spent $59, I think it was. So I finally snagged one of these. I may add it to the coffee station because I do keep candies and different items at the coffee station. And I thought this may be a good way to display those items. Then I have popcorn bags. I do make homemade popcorn from time to time. And I may want to take some to share with some friends. So I got these bags. Just in case I make my seafood flavored popcorn with some seafood seasoning. Delicious. In the pot with butter and some popcorn kernels and heavy on the seasoning. They have the citronella sticks. Stick it in the ground, light it while you're out there working in the garden. Kind of keep the mosquitoes at bay. Do these work? Let me know in the comments below. But I saw them, and I think I have one pack out there from last year. But I saw them, and I bought them all. Bought one pack. Just one pack. Because we do need to spend more time out there this year, for real. I want some food from out there. I bought this for my hair. I really just wanted the little bands, but didn't have any. So I said, I'll try this. I bought this because the tools this year are pretty darn sturdy. This is not bending easy. Grip handle. These tools are pretty sturdy. And you need multiples because you leave them everywhere. You leave them out. You need 2 of each tool. One for the front, one for the back, that kind of thing. So I got that for the garden. Now I saw this and I was envisioning something like this in my head. And I saw this and I said, this might work. It has a point. And let's say it's for the garden. There is a garden purpose behind this. So my thoughts behind this were, I have stuff buried under mulch. In order for the fertilizer to get through the mulch to the plants, when I fertilize them, Pour fertilizer in these, stick it past the mulch so it can get into the ground and release it into the dirt around the plant. Whether that works or not, we gonna try it. But I figure rather than me digging up mulch every time I need to deeply fertilize my blueberry bushes, all kinds of stuff, stick this in with fertilizer in it and squeeze. Or plunge, or whatever this does. Oh, it plunges. So stick it in with fertilizer in it and plunge. Am I crazy? Let me know in the comments below. I won't get offended. Bad idea, good idea. We gonna find out. I bought the wide trowel. So I got the whole set, which is cute. Design. I like the color. This is the best weight thus far. So, I bought some more of, well, actually, I bought this. I need a pick for this bushy hair. I need a pick, and I bought the 3-pack because this is the only pick they had. So, you get 3 combs for $1.25. Can't go wrong with that. So, I actually planted these. I planted all of them in a pot. And all my pots, I don't remember which pot had this in it, but every last one of them sprouting something. So these are working, but you need multiples. So what you do, it says 12 per 12 inches. So if you have a 1-foot pot, you need to put 12 of these in here to fill the pot. Is what I'm reading. Am I reading something wrong? Don't know. But that's what this paper says. 12 per 12-inch pot. So I brought more of these. And they had plenty because why the Dollar Tree in there hiding the stuff? This was in a box, up under a shelf, behind another shelf. And it was full. How you gonna sell it if can't nobody find it? But I went on and bought a few more. And this was, anybody in Jacksonville, the Dollar Tree at River City, near the airport. Child, wrong bag. We still in this bag. So, LBE. I saw these. I bought one of these before. So they have the prayer cards. The prayer cards, they have 2 designs. Prayer cards. That's for my little basket things. And I'm going to actually keep all that in one bag. Even though I'm going to work on these. And again, I'll probably do that in a short on the spinning thing. And do that for you. So here's another item. The fan. So it's going to be a challenge to stack this. But we're about to go into summer. My bingo buddies. The bingo hall gets thick. It might get hot in there sometime. Fans. Place this fan on you away from your paper. Hold it in your face. Whatever you need to cool off. We have those periods of time where it might get a little hot up in there. So, that's what we do. And I have my own flip fan that I got. This is a good hurricane supply. Lights go out when hurricanes happen. In the summertime in Florida, lights go out. As soon as that thing click off, you feel like you in Hades. Oh my gosh, let it be a hot day. And them lights go out. That's where we at. So, something like that, battery operated, put it on your face until you realize this might be this way for a while. So, they got plenty of those at the Dollar Tree right now. And that's some regular item, but they bring it out every now and then, and they're there now. So, extra gum, that's going in the baskets. These individual packs, and it's, 8 is 4 in each one. So they're going in the gifts. And then we have, of course, this is still a stellar deal. 6-pack. You put one of each. 3. You get 4 different candies in each basket. 6 baskets, 4 packs of candy. 1 in each. Batteries for the fans. Duh, I'm going to actually unscrew them because that's a lot of challenges for people. So I'm going to actually unscrew them and load them with the battery and give them ready to go. That's what you do. And those are good fans for desk at work, all that kind of stuff. So I got 2 packs of batteries. These right here, I shouldn't be drinking them. It says 1 bottle, 10 calories, a whole bunch of other stuff. But they taste good. These taste extremely good. So I just bought 2 of each for me to add to the fridge. I'm still trying to figure out how I spent $59, but I guess 666, that was 18. Well, that was $20-something right there. The 3 things that I bought 6 of. And it's the 4th thing I brought 6 of. So, how we going to do this? I still got to work it out. But the big coffee cup, the big one, I have a whole box of tea to go in here. Whole box of tea, the candy, the gum, the prayer cards, and the fans. So I'm going to do a stack like LBE showed me. And we're going to see if that works. If not, I will find another vehicle to give this in. But we're going to try that first. And then, is that it for $59? I bought mustard because we are completely out. And it's summertime, time to make salads, tunas, da-da-da-da-da. So I bought mustard, which is still a decent deal. And that's a big container of mustard. And that's it. That's my $1.25 tree. And I'll show you the teas in another video. I did find those on clearance at some store, either Burlington, Marshall's. I'll show you that in the next video that I take. But here we go. That's it from the Dollar Tree. I hope you liked that video. I hope you got some neat ideas. Mother's Day is coming. That's just a bunch of bags. Mother's Day is coming. And keep that in mind. Don't forget your mother. I hope you like this video. Prep and pray and plant a seed, plant a seed, plant a seed. Thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful day.